Hello, welcome back to the channel. NoSQL database. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service that provides fast and predictable performance with seamless scalability. DynamoDB lets you offload the administrative burden of operating and scaling a distributed database so that you don't have to worry about hardware provisioning, setup, and configuration, replication, software patching, or cluster scaling. DynamoDB also offers encryption at rest, which eliminates the complexity involved in protecting sensitive data. NoSQL databases are non-relational in nature, meaning that you don't have to have an existing table created in which you can store data. NoSQL database came in the following format: document databases, graph stores databases, key value stores, and white column databases. Document databases are primarily built for storing information as document, including but not limited to JSON. This system can also be used for storing XML documents. Graph databases used graph structure to define the relationship between stored data points. Graph databases are useful for identifying patterns in unstructured and semi-structured information. Key value stores group associated with the collection with record that identified with unique key. For retrieval, key value stores have just enough structure to mirror the value of relational databases while still preserving the benefit of NoSQL. And white column databases are used in tabular format of relational databases, which allow a variant of how the data is named and formatted in each rows within the same table, if possible. Like key value stores, white column databases have some basic structures while also preserving a lot of flexibility. Amazon DynamoDB is a AWS NoSQL service. Amazon DynamoDB is an extremely fast NoSQL database with predictable performances and high scalability. NoSQL database store data in documents rather than relational tables. NoSQL database technology information in JSON document instead of columns and rows used by relational databases. With DynamoDB, you can create a database table that can store and retrieve the amount of data and serve the level of request traffic. Customer experiences has quickly become competitive differentiator and ushered the business world into an era of monumental changes. As a part of this revolution, enterprises are interacting digitally, not only with the customers but also with their employees, partners, vendors, and even their product as an unprecedented scale. This interaction is powered by the internet and other 21st century's technologies. At the heart of revolution are the company's cloud, mobile, social media, big data, and IoT application. It supports the concurrent users, tons of thousands, perhaps million, delivers highly responsive experience to a globally distributed base of users are always available. No downtime. Handles semi and unstructured data. Rapidly adapt to changing frequent updates and new features. Most NoSQL databases offers a concept of eventual consistency, which database changes are propagated to all nodes eventually, typically within milliseconds. So queries for data might not return updated data immediately or might result in reading data that is not accurate, a problem known as state read. NoSQL databases are a great fit for many modern applications such as gaming, web that require flexible performance, high functional highly functional database to provide great user experience. Flexibility. NoSQL database generally provide a flexible schema that enable faster and more iterative development that models makes NoSQL databases, ideal for semi-structured and unstructured data. High performance NoSQL optimized for specific data models across the patterns that enable higher performance than trying to accomplish similar functionality with relational databases. Highly functional. A book table has those features like ISBN, book title, edition number, author's table as column, and author ID and author name. Finally, author ISBN has author ID and ISBN. This relational model designed to enable database inferential integrity between tables in the database, normalized to reduce the redundancy and generally optimize for storage. NoSQL is an approach to database management that can accommodate a wide variety of data models, including key value documents, column graph format. Generally means that it's non-relational, distributed, flexible, and scalable. The advantages: interactive real-time web application can be designed, such as RESTful API and web services. Has NoSQL database are better suited for cloud, mobile, social media, and big data requirement. They are designed for use cases and general purpose relational and SQL database types of application. NoSQL database are newer. There are no comprehensive industry standard as with relational and SQL DBMS offerings. Each NoSQL database has its own syntax for querying and managing data. This is in contrast to SQL, which is for relational and SQL database. These are the some terminology used in NoSQL databases. These are the chart for SQL, MongoDB, DynamoDB, Cassandra, and Couchbase. Comparison between these five types of SQL databases: MongoDBs, DynamoDB, Cassandra, and Couchbases. These are the comparison of relational database